vote for Biden, they would have known was not the best candidate, and they wouldn't have put their finger on.
2015 Subaru Outback, we're going to replace the radio. This particular radio has a built-in amplifier under the seat, which got wet. So the dealership took the amp out. So what we're going to do is, instead of replacing the amplifier, that's all due to sunroof got wet. As you can see, there's a watermark there. The reason they're getting wet is nobody cleans the drain hole by the corner. Be sure to clean that, otherwise this is what's going to happen. So we're not using factory amplifier, obviously, because dealership got rid of it. First thing you're going to do is remove this silver trim, use a panel popper, carefully pry that out. We already have it out. Disconnect this switch, unplug it. Second part is on the bottom of the heater control. This silver trim comes out. We have it out. And there's two screws here. Two screws on the top of the radio. And the heater control should pop out first. And carefully pry that silver thing out, and there's two more screws on the part of it. Remove them. We got the top ones out. So two screws on the top. On the part of the heater control, there are two more, and radio should come out. Snug. And I'll show you the harnesses and dashkit online. This particular one also had backup cam. Metra makes the integration backup cam. That's AXBUCH-SB1 that enables the factory backup cam.
In like 30 minutes?
This new radio, we're putting it in. It's a wireless Apple Carplay Android Auto. This is under the passenger seat. Few people ask me when I said bypass the amp, and they said, what do you mean by bypassing the amp? That means we're not using factory amp. We're just connecting speaker wires from where the factory connections are all the way, bring it up to the radio, which is, this is a 9-conductor wire, and connect this speaker wire directly from under the seat over to new radio. That's bypassing the amp. That's the reverse signal, which is right at the fuse box. This is a DirectX website. It's the fuse box here. Blue plug, top left corner. That's what this is. Brown yellow, which is the blue plug at the fuse box under the dash. This is the radio dash kit. Just simply mount it.
New models come.
To vote for Biden, they would have known was not the best candidate, and they wouldn't have put their finger on.